Great service is our top priority, and now we're ready to celebrate with you because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share with everyone. Take a look. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Thanks for stopping by and watching our video. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.